And still on court-related matters, the three men charged with impersonating public health officers had their bail extended until February 5. The men landed themselves in legal hot water during the reopening of the Crab Circle in Kingston last year. Details in this report.
Content creators 23-year-old Oreen Harris, 23-year-old Aiden Smart, and 32-year-old businessman Kazray Gray made their first appearance in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court Monday morning. They are represented by attorney Donovan Collins. When asked by Senior Parish Court Judge Lorian Cole Montague about his client's position, Mr. Collins said he wants full disclosure before he can address the court. The clerk of court advised that this will be provided by February 2. Mr. Collins also made an application for the return of his client's devices that were seized, but the investigating officer objected, stating that the devices are the subject of continuous investigation. The men were charged with breaches of the Professions Supplementary to Medicine Act and conspiracy to common law to breach the Professions Supplementary to Medicine Act. It was reported that they presented themselves as public health officers at an event at Crab Circle on November 23 last year. In addition to the attire, the men presented fraudulent identification cards. Further, Mr. Gray addressed the audience, falsely representing himself as a health inspector. The actions of the accused were recorded and uploaded to social media, which led to their arrest and charge. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.